What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. We got a lot going on today. That CTS-V obviously is on the dyno, so we're going to get to that right away. I also wanted to do the last two giveaways for Jack and R's joint giveaway, so I'm going to do that right now. What I did was I sorted all of the comments by Jack's key phrase Jack sent me, so you'll see that we'll put that in. It'll show all the comments on all the videos that Jack sent me, and then we're gonna pick the top two. So 1 and 2 will win, and those will be the last two for the t-shirt, license plate frame, stickers, and Jack's key tag. Obviously, we are gonna do some more giveaways in the future. Stay tuned to the channel, it's only gonna get better. And thank you everybody for the subscriptions. Unfortunately, we did not hit the 100K deadline for the Pro Charger, so you will have to find out what's going on with that. If you already watched Mike's video, you did see that he did say he is keeping it, which is good, which kind of opens up some possibilities for what we do to it in the future. We got a 6th Gen Z01 that was just dropped off. We got a couple other cars. We got to finish up a heads cam package on a black C6Z. Eric is wiring Nitrous into GTO, and then the CTS-V on the dyno. So let's roll to it. Giveaway first, and then we will get into everything else. All right, so I copied every single person in here who commented that Jack sent them. People also commented Jack and Mike sent you, but if you use those keywords, you are entered. Some people commented twice, so unfortunately you are only entered once. Let's copy all of these names. Throw them in here, random.org. Remember, this is 1 and 2, so the person first and second will be our winners for the last 2 of 4 giveaways. Those first 2 winners were already picked. If you haven't gotten your prize yet, don't worry, we were waiting on Jack's key tags, so they will all be going out this week. Once we get all the key tags, we're going to ship them all out as one whole thing. So let's do it. Random. Bruce McDonald and Chris Martin. Congratulations, you two. You are the last 2 winners of this giveaway. There are 332 people entered into the contest. Thank you everybody for subscribing, and thank you Jack for sending everybody over. I know we had more subscribers than that, but these are the people that followed his instructions to come over, subscribe, and hit Jack sent me. Obviously, stay tuned for more. Let's get back to the action.
Dude, the Instagram went up 100 followers in a day.
Did it?
Yeah.
See, you're on the road to 1,000.
Pretty funny. I never thought it would be close. It would get near 1,000, but I mean, obviously, with a little help.
With a little help from your friends.
Yeah.
It's a brand new Z01.
Yeah, just got dropped off.
It's bad.
Got here this morning. Guy in the tractor trailer was sleeping out back.
I saw that. I rolled in. I was like,
yeah, like looked in the driver's seat of the tractor trailer.
I saw frost on it. I was like, that thing's been here all night.
Yeah, he was definitely sleeping in there.
It came from Virginia.
Yeah, definitely sleeping in there.
Thank God he didn't put a front plate on it.
Yeah, you're not kidding.
Oh man, that front end is so sick.
Yeah, it is.
Damn. We should tag Cody in this, because this is like one he test drove.
Yeah, he test drove one. It's getting cam, lowering springs, and everything else.
I actually like those wheels a lot.
Yeah, they're nice.
Oh, did you see the thing on the front end? The bow tie is cut out. I'll show you. It's not an actual logo. It's open to allow more airflow. They said they spent time engineering, and it actually flows a lot more air. They call it the flow tie. I'm not even making that up. That is the flow tie.
It blows my mind that just this little area right here being cut open allows that much more air.
I mean, not a lot, but enough to make for them to go, yeah, let's keep it that way. I like the carbon. Carbon on the mirrors and stuff too. It looks good though.
New versus old.
Huh? Yeah, that one is a lot faster than this one.
Not for long.
Yeah, it still will be. This one did like 830 to the wheels on pump gas. This is the one I did the video of that was like highest pump gas Z01 stock blower. It's at RPM 5-inch intake.
How many miles are on this thing?
1,800. It's almost out of gas, by the way.
Is it?
I moved it, and it's like below E, and the lights on. It's.
What are we doing? Heads and cam, I think, or something?
I think so. Heads cam.
What are we doing this thing? Heads
suspension.
and cam or something?
Headers, lowering springs, yeah, cam.
Pulley.
Yep.
So no heads, just head.
Correct.
Okay. I like it. I like the wheels too.
Yeah, no, I don't mind them. When's that Pro Charger going to be here? What are they, 4 days? Are they only 2 days?
For this guy?
Yeah, it's shipped today.
This is getting a polished one, right?
It's getting a black intake manifold, yeah, polished head unit, and a polished bracket.
Okay.
Okay.
What about the, you said manifold? Is it
The
black?
manifold black.
Okay, all right, good. We're gonna do the
Either
black.
black or bare like the other one.
Yeah, it's either black or it's
okay.
ugly like the other one. We just sent the other one to get coated.
So what do you got left on this, or what did you do so far on this nitrous?
On the nitrous?
Yeah.
Mounted the controller and did some wiring, but I was doing wiring the battery kill switch.
Ooh, look at that. I always wanted to get behind someone on the highway, like on the street, when they have a kill switch, and like get out of my car and just push it in and shut it off.
Yeah, it would be you.
There's not one person that hasn't had that thought. So what all is left on the nitrous? It's going in the passenger seat, right?
Yeah, waiting on a plate. He wants a 200 shot, but it says Fran would know best.
Yeah. I don't know.
Got the controller mounted where the radio was.
Fran probably won't go above 150 or even 100.
Bottle location is on the seat bracket. He wants that in the passenger seat. This will go in the ashtray.
Right.
You have your arm for the nitrous, the purge, the heater, and then for the opener, he doesn't want an opener because obviously it's right there. He can just open it. But for this, he wants this to control his exhaust cutouts.
I got you.
Dedicated fuel cell, C16, battery rear mount location, fed by run. He's wiring, coilover adjust. What kind of coilovers are these?
BC Racing? They're big in like the stance crowd.
I think they're BBCs actually.
BBK, you mean?
BBK?
BBK.
BBC, the big black.
Big Mac. You love BBC. Really? On this kid?
Yeah, no problem.
Kind of.
Look at it.
Go. Hey, the heads are on.
Hey.
Looking good. Oh, did you see what I saw the other day? I was at Target yesterday. I saw Now 64.
Yeah, I saw that post.
Now 64. Now, it should be called Now I Feel Old. I remember when the first one was out. Now 1. I had to look it up last night to see how long ago it was. 1998. 20 years this year. 20 years this year.
That's too much.
Dude.
Definitely, yeah. Now, most people don't even listen to CDs, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, now nobody even buys CDs. It's another 600 horsepower, naturally aspirated. Rocking those welds. Yeah, did you see Jack's races?
I did.
Putting a little walk on Nick ZL1. NA to supercharged, you know.
Weight difference is a lot.
Yeah. Yep. These cars, once they've hit cam, man, they're pretty damn bad. And then you throw a little nitrous on there, like Louis, and just spank
That's
everything.
what Jack needs to do next.
Yeah.
Put a little
Nitrous
in
and an MSD.
Even just nitrous would be.
Yeah. Let him get used to this for now. It's been like a week.
Yeah. And,
He's literally driven like 2 days.
and
I'm just saying. He's got to get used to the power.
I'm sure he's plenty used to it by now.
The power. The power, Tyler.
I saw that. I guess Mike's not getting his supercharger either.
He's not getting his supercharger now. We didn't hit. We hit like 61,000 last night. That was it. That was
And you're
it.
still not getting your cartoon.
I'm getting. Oh, that's right. I gotta go give Fran a hard time. I gotta go make an appointment. I'm gonna go do that.
Make sure you keep the camera on.
I'm gonna keep the camera on. I'm gonna try to make an appointment. Let's see what happens. Thanks for the idea. So, I'd like to make an appointment.
We're not accepting BMWs right now. Sorry. Oh, wait a minute, hold on.
Give an appointment. Saturday at like 8 p.m.
Yeah.
I'll be here.
2022 works. We're about 3 years out on scheduling, so.
First opening.
First opening's 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, let's put it in.
Okay. I'll put it in for the day after never.
Come on.
Okay.
This is so messed up. We had a deal.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
I don't remember saying it.
You want me to pull up the text?
No. I
We
plead
had,
the fifth.
we had a deal. It's messed up, man.
I mean, reality's messed up, buddy.
We don't even have to film it.
I mean, we don't even have to tune it.
It's really messed up. I was looking forward to this.
Yeah, well, that's one of us.
So what you're saying is there's a chance.
Yeah, about 1 in a million.
What do you think the chances are of a guy like you and a girl like me ending up together?
I'd say more like 1 out of a million.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Yeah!
Because Mike wouldn't understand
He
that.
wouldn't understand that reference because Dumb and Dumber. Well, thanks.